Hi everyone, I'm Shintaro, your guide here in Kawagoe. Today, I would like to show you one of the most famous places in this town, Tokinokane Time Bell Tower. Surprisingly, Time Bell Tower is not just a great photo spot. It has played an important role for over 400 years, with its bell ringing to tell the time since its construction. Long ago, this tower was even drawn in ukiyo-e, which are old Japanese wood block prints that show daily life. If you walk around this area, you may feel you've stepped into one of those prints. The streets, the buildings, and the sound of the bell. Everything keeps the old-time feeling alive. Let's go take a closer look and find out more about this special symbol of Kawagoe. This is Tokinokane Time Bell Tower. It was first built in the 17th century by order of the local feudal lord Sakai Tadakatsu. He believed that accurate timekeeping was important for better town management. At that time, most people didn't have a clock, so the bell helped the town people to manage their daily lives. The tower is not only for telling time, it was also served as a fire lookout. In a town full of wooden buildings, early fire alarms were essential. Over the centuries, the tower was destroyed by fire several times, but each time the people of Kawagoe rebuilt it. That shows how deeply this bell tower was loved, not just as a tool, but as a symbol of pride and unity of the community. If you visit today, you may still hear the same sound that has echoed through this town since its construction. Here I am, right under Time Bell Tower. Normally, no one is allowed to climb up there, but today we got a special permission from the city of Kawagoe. So now I'm going to climb up the tower. Let's see what kind of view is waiting for us. Let's go! Wow, it's so steep. So scary actually. Wow, I can see the town very well from here. Back in the day, when there is no tall buildings, you could see all over the town from here in those days. And here it is, the bell itself. It was made in 1894. It's very big. There is something carved on it. Ah, look! It says Eiichi Shibusawa. This is him. He's supported too. It's amazing! So how do you feel about this building?
I was surprised that it's really made entirely out of wood, and all the facts were really interesting. That you sounded at the New Year's, and that is the tallest bell tower, right? The wooden one in Japan.
I'm impressed about the oldest, how oldest is this tower, and being unique in Japan.
Yeah.
The Bell Tower.
Yes, as a Bell Tower, it's standing for 400 years.
Yes, 400 years, and it's the tallest in Japan, the Bell Tower.
That's one of the tallest.
I'm really impressed about that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
私にとって鐘つき堂というのはもう生まれてからそこにあるものなんですね。で、そこにあり、これからあり続けていくものということになりますものですので、精神の拠り所のような感じがいたします。はい。よく祖父がね、鐘をつけに行くのにですね、一緒に手をつないでいった思い出がやはり一番深いですね。祖父の手を取っていったのはよく覚えております。はい。それはやはりありますね。やはり大体の時間の把握ができますから、私たちにとっては欠かせないやはり鐘の音だと思います。はい。いえ、これから変わらない存在でいていただきたいですね。何かを手を加えていくというのは、これは先人たちに申し訳が立たないものですから、このまま守ってね、次の代、またさらに次の代、ずっとこの音がその方々の耳に届ければいいなとは思います。はい。やはり変化というのはさほど大きくは感じないような気がいたします。川越はここに高い建物を建ててはいけないというやはり条例がございますので、そんなにも大きな変化は感じません。ただきっと私の祖父の代から私の代だとですね、もっと緑があふれておりましたでしょうね。古い古写真を見てもそうですけども、もっと街の中には木があったと思います。それがね、ほとんどなくなってしまいましたのが、これは時代とともにね、致し方ないことだと思いますけども、古い写真を見るとなんとなくね、やはり懐かしい気持ちにさせてくれるような気になりますですね。はい。いつかはそういう日が来るか来ないか分かりませんが、孫の手を取って登ってみたいと思いますんでね、それが私たち何百年と続いてきた一つのシンボルのタワーだと思います。はい。
I would like to ask some questions to this person as well. The mayor of Kawagoe City, Ms. Hatsue Morita.
Hello everyone, I'm Hatsue Morita.
So, would you please share your thoughts on the meaning and value of Time Bell Tower to Kawagoe City today?
Okay, Time Bell Tower is a symbol of Kawagoe City. It has been telling the time since Edo period 400 years ago, and it still does today. In 1893, the tower burned down by fire, but it was soon rebuilt next year. It shows how important the tower was to the people's lives at the time. We would like to work together to preserve and make most of this tower for years to come.
So, Time Bell Tower is very popular among foreign tourists as well. How would you like to share its charms with others?
To help foreign tourists to understand the history of Time Bell Tower, we will provide information through local tourist guides and social media in several languages. We would like to share the charm of the Time Bell Tower by hearing the actual sound of the bell. Please imagine how time feels to the people living now and the past.
Thank you very much. ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
EFT guys are always happy to show you around and share what makes this town too special. Come and see Kawagoe. The sound of the bell is waiting for you. Thank you. See you.